Well, we're right on the edge of the rain. It's just starting to rain, but there's definitely some serious thunderstorms coming in. Lightning's really picked up just last few minutes. Just started raining on me. Oh, there's a pretty good one. See if we can get a couple more of those. I'm looking off to the south towards kind of the southwest towards Tulsa. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. 2, 3. So it's about 7 miles away right now. The lightning, that is. See if we can get one. Oh, that was a really good one. Maybe I'll let this roll a little longer. That was close. About 1.5 miles away. Another good one. That's about 5 miles away. There was nothing on the radar, and then I thought I heard thunder. I came out here and sure enough looked at the radar, and it just started popping up yellow and red everywhere. Oh shoot, those are some big old raindrops. My phone's cracked, so. Oh, that's hail. That's why. Okay, it's hailing, like pea-sized hail. You like when you hear it hitting things. Tonk. See if I can get one more lightning strike before I get my phone too wet. Then I gotta go in. Ow, that kind of hurt. Hit me in the toe. There we go, that was a good one. 3 miles away. Alright, gonna go. Well, one more. Just in case. Maybe one last hurrah before I get too wet. Oh, it's starting to really... Now it's raining mostly. Big raindrops. Huge raindrops. Every time I get hit in the head, it makes me jump a little bit. I didn't even see the lightning for that one. Must have been on the other side. I don't know if you can even hear the thunder. Come on, one more. It's really starting to rain now. Oh boy. Oh, that was a good one for a finale. There you go.